Hello my fine friends. Today I'm at an actual RC field. It's the Indianapolis RC Modelers field on the east side. And I'm going to dust off some wings, airplanes, and see how I do. I know it's been a long time since I've flown airplanes. I've been doing quads a lot lately, but let's see what happens. Take you along the way. One thing you should always do before every flight is double check your surfaces, make sure your ailerons are going the right way, your elevator and rudder. Taking off.
RF signal critical.
As you can hear, I was having receiver issues with the signal strength, and so I had to turn around and land.
RF signal critical.
I know, I heard you already. I'm trying to land. Not to land. Right to left.
Landing.
RF signal critical. RF signal critical. Engine off.
So I decided to take out my trusty timber airplane, the one I usually go to when all else fails. Okay, take off. Taking off. I'm just teasing you. I actually didn't have a camera on my timber. This is for my quad. You're flying left to right.